The Internet, a vast network connecting millions globally, has a rich history. Its origins trace back to the 1960s with the U.S. Department of Defense's ARPANET project, aiming to allow multiple computers to communicate. By the 1970s, the concept of packet switching was introduced, revolutionizing data transmission. The 1980s saw the birth of the TCP/IP protocol, the backbone of today's Internet. This era also witnessed the creation of the World Wide Web by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, providing a user-friendly interface to access information. The 1990s were transformative, with the launch of popular browsers like Netscape and the rise of search engines, making information retrieval easier. The dot-com boom further propelled the Internet's commercial potential. Fast forward to the 2000s, and the Internet became more accessible. With the advent of smartphones and high-speed connections, social media platforms, online streaming, and e-commerce became integral parts of daily life. Today, the Internet is not just a luxury, but a necessity, influencing every facet of our lives. From its military origins to the global phenomenon it is now. The Internet's journey is a testament to human innovation and the desire to connect.